Today, on the Roadside Gourmet, we're making campfire steak pies in Filo Pastry. Let's go. Oh man, it's good to be cooking outside again. Let's get a fire going. Once it's burnt down, get a Dutch oven on there and add a little bit of oil. Now we're going to get our veggies in there. In go the onion, a whole bunch of rosemary, some beautiful celery and carrots. Give that a little stir around. And we'll put that lid back on. Let's take a look at our beef. We're going to cube it up. We're going to add flour to it. Now the flour is going to act as a thickening agent for our stew. Now let's add a little bit more. Just give it a little mix about there. We're going to season it with some salt and pepper. And give it another little mix around. We'll open up that Dutch oven. Doesn't that look beautiful? Get our beef in there. We're going to add in a beer. This one happens to be from Creemore Springs Brewery. Give that a mix about. Now, if you like what we're doing, please be sure to hit that like button, hit subscribe, throw down a comment, share it with everybody you like. Now we're going to put that lid back on there and add a little bit of hot charcoal to the top. And while that's cooking away, I'm going to oil a pan. Take eight or nine sheets of phyllo and just form it to your pan. About an hour and a bit. We'll open that up and oh, look at that beautiful stew. Now we're going to take our filling and put it right in the pie. Now we're just going to fold over the corners. Or take a couple more sheets and put it over top and just tuck it down. Doesn't have to be pretty. This is campfire cooking. Let's get it on the coals. We're going to give it a turn, so we're going to oil that side. Grab another pan. Give it a flip. Now that looks ready. We'll take it over to the cutting board and give her a cut. Moment of truth. And look at that. Beautiful. You can get the full recipe at www.roadsidegourmet.ca.